You're watching the Team Hybrid Racing YouTube channel, and this is LS Fest 2025. Made it in line to LS Fest 2025. As you can see, there's a massive line. After we already stood in a massive line. So I think we're gonna park way out back. We got the four-wheeler, no big deal. Tons of vendors. So if you guys have never been to LS Fest, it's massive. It's Bowling Green's largest event. And the paved area, which is a third of the pit area, I would say, is completely full of vendors. So we get to park out in the grass. So catch you guys once we get unloaded. It's Thursday, day one. There's the autocross slash drift track slash roundy round. So get unloaded. Well, got my tech card all filled out. Base camp set up. Let's go do this. Hopefully the line's not too long. Go get that done, and then go hang out with some people, some friends. Keeps raining every like 30 minutes, but we'll get it out of the way today, so we don't have to deal with it tomorrow. Obviously, past the flying colors, you do a drag and drive, get through tech there, you'll get through any tech. So we're going at the pits, let's get some lunch, and then we'll go peruse the vendor midway. I had to stop back here at the pasta place. So good. All the good stuff. Look at that, Juddy. We could have ordered all this, taken this back to the campsite, to the pits. I think you got a cannoli last year, didn't you?
No.
This place is great. We found it by accident last year. We had to come back. And a quick thank you to our sponsor partners, helping us bring great content to you. Now we're up in the lanes for what is going to be our one and only test hit today on what we're calling day one. We'll consider yesterday day zero, tech, etc. We're supposed to get our test hit in 2 qualifiers, but based on the time and potential weather tonight, we're going to get this test hit and maybe Q1 in. So we loaded in a tune. We haven't ran 860 all year long, but we got something close. We're gonna try and see what it does. So let's get lined up and make that first hit. how we did. Felt good. Good pass. Seemed like it was that slip. And I don't know if they considered this a qualifier or just a test because it's running behind, so I guess we'll find out. Thank you. Alright, so we gotta tighten it up a little bit. Alright guys, so 869 with a 2. So we got a little room to add. See how the weather does, but we're in the 60s, so we'll take it. We're all set up for what sounds like Q1. I think the pass we made earlier was actually just a test pass. So Q1, you know, making our little bit of changes, tiny tweaks. Like we said, we ran what was that? 8692. So we got a little room on the table to you know, bring that down. So nothing too crazy. We're going to try to see if we can land in that 60 range again on the Q1. I don't know if we're going to have enough time tonight on day one, what we're calling day one, to get our second qualifier in, but we'll keep you guys up to date, see where we go. Waiting for the call. See you in the lanes. All right, so Q1 is in the books, guys. We got it pretty well dialed in, I think. 865 with a 9, so we got a little wiggle room. A little room to improve, but better. So kind of pretty much did what we thought it would do, right? Yeah. So we're happy with that. Storm, small storm, shower storm, water. Anyways, it rained, so they may be calling it. We're going to see. We may not get that second qualifier tonight. But if not, we'll pick up back in the morning and then probably go right into eliminations later in the afternoon, evening. We'll see how it plays out. Anyhow, we're pretty happy with that, I think. Judd says we're sitting number 2. We'll go look at the ladder later and get you guys a photo of it or something. Anyhow, we're going to cook up some chili cheese dogs and then maybe go get some nachos later, hang out with our friends. But that might conclude what we're going to call day 1. Call yesterday day 0. And we're sitting good, happy. We'll look over the car, get everything ready, and start again tomorrow. Saturday, what we're going to call day 2. We got a late start on the day. Rain showers this morning. They're actually out there right now trying to dry up the track. Got a handful of classes before us. And then as far as the schedule goes right now, we'll be doing our second qualifier, our final qualifier, and then if time allows, we're going to go into eliminations tonight. So hopefully, looks like the forecast looks good. We should be good the rest of the day. Right now, we're sitting number 2 on the qualifying sheet. 20 cars qualified so far. Sounds like a few more are coming in. Little hybrid here is doing our thing. So, if I got a little time, maybe we'll go explore. If not, we'll catch you guys in the lanes for that next qualifier. So we all put in, not all of us, but a bunch of people put in 20 bucks each for fastest reaction time. We cut a 33, so that's gotta be up there. And the guy behind me says we went 01, so we're about to find out. Thank you. Yeah, there it is, guys. 8601, baby! With a I apologize, a 32 light. 32. Yeah, that'll get it done. That's a pretty good package right there, boys. A pretty good package. Alright, you guys know the drill. Get the tune data log downloaded. Maybe we'll run E1, I'm not sure, but looks pretty good. We'll catch you guys later tonight, in the morning. I don't know. Schedule's crazy, but we'll see. All right, guys, as you saw, we went #1 qualifier, 8601. We were supposed to be lined up with a Cadillac that made a pass yesterday. We're hearing maybe that car broke and won't be up here for eliminations 1. So I think we're just gonna play the safe route, break the beams if he doesn't show. If he does, we got a tune we're gonna run. And then that'll end it for tonight. So I'll have Juddy take the slow video of us maybe not doing something or maybe doing something. You'll find out real soon. They got us lined up. They're gonna pair us up. 22 cars in the class, all kinds of fun stuff. Let's see what happens, who shows up and what does what. We did find out that the Cadillac was broken, and since it was late at night, we would be running in this air, so we decided just to break the beams. So here's a cool pass for our buddy John and his sweet brown Vic, round 1. Hi guys, it's Sunday, last day. We've been here for 4 days. It's elimination day. Now we did run eliminations last night as you saw, but we had that bye, competition bye. So we've got the round bye, I guess, if you will, because we were #1. So we're gonna go make our hit. We've got our tune loaded. Hopefully we still see that 60 range and then get ready for some competition. So we'll see you guys in the lane, make this pass. All right, guys, just to recap, a little spicy on the 60 foot. I heard it pop, and when I hear it pop, it normally means it's gonna go. So 855 with the 6 at 162. So she was moving out the back. So I'll have to tame that launch just a tiny bit, and that should put us right back where we need to be. Up here for round 3, 6 cars left. Racing a fellow BTR driver, our BTR buddy Blaine, and his Isuzu truck. So it should be a real good race. See what happens on this track. Okay, that was a great race that you guys just saw on the camera there. Yep, 68 on the light and 8605. So 3 cars. We'll see how John did, see who's left. I know the RX-7, no, sorry, the Supra, Mark III Supra, me, and then see if John won. Hopefully so. If not, it'll be Tom. So 3 cars left. Let's keep going, guys. Here we go, guys. We are at the finals of LS Fest again, 2 years in a row. We're racing a friend of ours we met down here at the 860 last year, Tom. He's got a fast G8. It might be the world's fastest, I don't know. It's fast. Anyhow, we're gonna race him. I don't know what lane, if we get lane choice or not, we'll find out shortly. Just get everything, we're hot lapping it really, so good. 2 years in a row, LS Fest finals. Let's get it done this time. Guys, what a crazy year we've been having. That's another W. LS Fest 2025, the 860 Street Racer class. Old Hybrid takes it home. I don't know what we're gonna do. Like, we just been on a roll. That's 2 LS Fest finals. Unfortunately, we let it go last year, but this year we got it done. We got a few more races left this year. We'll be sure to give you content on that. Appreciate you guys following. If you've never been to LS Fest, you've got to come here. It's crazy. You'll see all kinds of stuff. And you might even see Hybrid in the winner circle again next year. Until then, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one.